Okay. Our fourth startup is Aikon. Welcome, Aikon, to the stage.
Hello, judges. Hi, so I'm Gretchen Fox. I'm CMO of Aikon, and this is
Trey Lewin. I'm the CTO.
And at Aikon, we are true believers in the decentralized future. We believe in the promise of blockchain. There are so many companies doing amazing things in healthcare and finance and social impact, space exploration, like some of our partners. And the problem is that building on blockchain is too hard. Smart contracts aren't that smart. Building on blockchain itself is hard. Internet ID and public-private keys don't work together. Payment systems don't work together. So it's our mission at Aikon to give developers the tools they need to make building on blockchain as easy as it is shopping on Amazon.com. So how we do this, we have two different things. One is a foundational protocol. It's open source. That foundational protocol allows any API to be mapped to the blockchain and then operated and monetized on blockchain. And the reason this is important is because right now there's an existing world of $2.2 trillion API economy that's powering the entire world of software. And we have this burgeoning blockchain community, and it's really hard for dApps, blockchain companies to be able to use this entire existing world of software. If we can't use, recycle, and repurpose the progress that we've made over the last 20 years with technology, it's going to really take us a really long time to get to the promise that blockchain has. So we're tackling that problem with a protocol that allows any API to be mapped to blockchain and then usable across both sides, existing world of software and also blockchain world, and vice versa. And then while the protocol does all the heavy lifting on the back end of mapping these two sides together, we've buttoned it up in a super simple front-end UI called API.market, where anyone can create, manage, operate, and monetize any API on blockchain using smart contracts and cryptocurrency. And then we also are publishing APIs into that marketplace for developer tools. And just yesterday, we launched our first D-service in the marketplace, which uses the same technology we use for the marketplace that allows decentralized applications to have one-click login for their dApps. Has anyone tried, how many people have used a dApp in this room? How many people try to use CryptoKitties? So, I don't know if you've heard, but the CEO of CryptoKitties says they have a 99% bounce rate. No business can succeed with a 99% bounce rate. People do not know what to do when they're confronted with MetaMask or EOS login. And so we give one-click login that's easy as using what people are used to using. Facebook login, Gmail login, Amazon, LinkedIn, etc. And then we do the heavy lifting and mapping everything on the back end so that you can that regular users can access your dApp. So I guess
That's fantastic. I think you said it all.
That's it in a nutshell. Currently, so we launched August 1st, our marketplace. We have 10 alpha partners. Our first one was Hadron. Hadron is an AI company that they wanted to sell their service to the Hubble Space astronomers that work in the government. And because they're a blockchain company that use cryptocurrency, the team that wanted to use that wasn't able to do that. We wrapped their API with our protocol, and then they were able to use it because we did all the handling all the complexity on the back end. Like I said, we launched our marketplace in August 1st. We now have 800 users in our alpha testing right now. And then
we launched Core ID, or we announced it yesterday. So we have two launch partners that that are using the platform already. One is called Lumios, which is a social app. And they have a beautiful mobile app that runs on Android and iOS with a single button that says login. It allows people to log in and automatically create their crypto wallet, and then they're doing an online airdrop. So immediately as a user, you'll get some tokens for their tokens into their wallet, and they're using ORID to make that happen. So they went from a page that asks the user all sorts of questions and to bring their crypto identity with them to going to a single page with a single login button, which we think is critical in order to get real users onto the blockchain. So it is essentially breaking down the barriers between normal people expect when they go to use an application and what they're getting confronted with today when they're going to use a tab. So.
And launching these services into the marketplace, that is our business model. So we will offer different services that leverage the power of our protocol that makes smart contracts and cryptocurrency really easy. We'll launch a series of tools. Some of those tools are freemium, and then have premium offers. So that's our business model. And I think we have 12 seconds left.
There's a few different blockchain providers out there. Well, which ones do you support?
So we built a protocol that you can access from whatever app you've built. So our protocol is actually running on the EOS chain. So we can natively interact with any other services that are running on EOS. EOS is launching an inter-blockchain communication protocol or a service later this year. So any service running on EOS would natively talk to our protocol, but we're not restricted. It's a protocol that you can consider an API that you can pull into your app. So we're not limiting where you can host your app or where your app is based. Yeah. Okay. Question?
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.